Okay, this little video is to sort of give you some clues about sending in early draft. Basically, I'm going to beg you to send in early drafts of the take-home exams. Okay, the last two tests in this course are take-home exams where you do statistics on your data. So if you look at the course schedule, okay, you'll see end of test 2 material. And so everything after that is test 3 and 4. And so what we're going to do from then on is each lecture will correspond to a particular problem on the take-home exam. So if you look at lecture 16, it says lecture 6 at the very bottom. It says lecture 16 equals take-home test 3 question number 1. So what you would do would be you would do that lecture, do its practice problems, get up to speed on the technique that we're learning, the statistical test, if you will. Then you go and you do that technique on your data, and that'll be the first question on the exam. Okay, send that in to me as an early draft. Okay, then you move on and do that again. Read the lecture, do the practice problems, do it on your data, meaning then you've done the second problem in the exam, send it to me, and so on and so on. So every lecture from out in test 3 and 4, each of those will correspond to one problem on the take-home exams. So that's the best way to do to sort of do these take-home exams. So the key here is that you're getting early drafts of each of the exams into me. Okay, and people who do this early drafting process tend to score very highly on these exams. Okay, the reason is simple. We catch your mistakes before they count. Okay, so I do drafts on a first come, first served basis. Okay, and I'm willing to look at a lot of drafts. And then when I get to the point where I can't do any more drafts, some people try to do it late or the day before, and I'll just say, sorry, all the early birds have eaten the worms, so the early bird gets the worm. Okay, do early drafts on the take-home exams, and you will do very well in this class.